Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Devita Eka Putri. I'm from Asia University, Bandung. I'm here today to presentation about what is TOEFL. This talk is divided into three main parts. Firstly, I'd like to look at skill 4. Secondly, I will be talking about skill 5. Finally, I will be looking at skill 6. My presentation will take about 20 minutes. The slides show as white. Skill 4, imply detail question. How to identify the question? It is implied in the passage that it can be inferred from the passage that it is most likely that what probably happened. Where to find the answer? The answer to the question are found in order in the passage. How to answer the question? Number 1, choose a keyword in the question. Number 2, scan the appropriate part of the passage for the keyword for stated idea. Number 3, read the sentence that contains the keyword or idea carefully. Number 4, look for the answer that contains the keyword carefully. Next slide. Example of skill 4. Let me give you an example. Can see the reading text to answer the question. Okay, reading together. Okay, next the question. Example of skill 4. The question number 1. It is implied in the passage that if a tree has 100 wide band and 100 narrow bands, then it is A, country old, B, 2 countries old, C, 50 years old, D, 200 years old. Explanation. This section indicates that one wide band and one narrow band are produced each year. From this, you can draw the conclusion that a tree with 100 wide in narrow band is 100 years, or a country old. The best answer to this question is therefore answer A. So far, I have presented that in determining implied detail question, we have to read the sentence with the appropriate scan to find the keyword. Next slide. Skill 5. Vocabulary in context question. How to identify the question? What is meaning? Which of the following is closest? Meaning to blah 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 could be replaced by which of the following? Where to find the answer? The question usually tells you in which line of the passage the words or expression can be found. How to answer the question? Number 1, find the word or expression in the passage. Number 2, read the sentence that contains the word carefully. Number 3, look for the context clues to help you understand the meaning. Number 4, choose the answer that the context indicates. Next slide. Example of skill 5. Can see the reading text to answer the question. Okay, reading together. Okay, next the question. The question number 1. The word pigment in line 2 is closest in meaning to A. Skin, B. Muscle, C. Tissue, D. Color. Explanation: because the pigment in this cornrow is related to eye color. The best answer to this question is therefore answer D. I may just mention in determining vocabulary, in context question, we must find the word, then read the sentence that contains the word carefully and look for the context clues to help understand the meaning. Skill 6. Where? Question. How to identify the question? Where is the passage? The question usually tells you in which line of the passage the words or expression can be found. How to answer the question? Number 1. Find the word or expression in the passage. Number 2. Read the sentence that contains the word carefully. Number 3. Look for the context clues to help you understand the meaning. Number 4. Choose the answer that the context indicates. Example of skill 6. Consider reading text to answer the question. Okay, reading together. Okay, next the question. The question number 1. Where in the passage where in the passage does the author define the word capital? A. Lines 1, 2. B. Line 3. C. Line 4. D. Line 6. 8. Explanation. A capital is the location of the center of government, and this definition is given in the fourth line. The best answer to this question is therefore answer C. To summarize, the content in a question usually tells in which line the word or expression can be found. Let me be saying Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Thank you.